So here is the question is that two bodies of mass m and 4m have kinetic energies in the ratio 1:2. So therefore, we have to find out their momentum P1 and P2 are in the ratio of what. So we have 5 options are here. So then we have to find out the ratio of their momentum. So let us find out what are the datas are given here. So here we are given mass 1 is m and mass 2 is 4m. So these are the two data given here, and what we are asked, you have to find out the ratio of their momentum. If I want to tell you the relationship with kinetic energy and momentum, we know that kinetic energy, which is equal to p square upon 2m, answer is yes. Or can I write kinetic energy is directly proportional to p square upon m? Answer is yes. That means the kinetic energy of first one and the kinetic energy of second one, their ratio will be equal to p1 upon p2 square into m2 upon m1, because it is inversely proportional. Answer is yes. And here in the question is given that the ratio of kinetic energy is 1:2. Therefore, if I write the same thing here, the kinetic energy of first one and second one are in the ratio of 1:2, then what I can write, P1 upon P2, exactly that we do not know, but mass 2 and mass 1. So mass 2 is 4 times of m and mass 1 is m. In the future, I can cancel both the m. So finally, what I can do, I can write 1 upon 2, which is equal to P1 upon P2 square into 4. In the next step, what I can write, so this 4 I'm taking, if I interchange the position, so 1 upon 8 is P1 upon P2 square. So if I find out P1 upon P2, which will be equal to square root of 1 upon 8. So therefore, in the final step, can I write P1 upon P2, which is equal to 1 upon square root of 2 into square root of 2, right? So therefore, the ratio is, if I write the ratio, so P1 is to P2 will be equal to 1:2 into root 2. So let us check the answer. What is the correct answer here? So yes, option A is the right answer for us.